Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey. If you're new here, just woke up, fresh face, but I wanted to start this video because I want to do a what I eat in a day. I've been on such a cooking, food, baking grind ever since quarantine. It has really made me appreciate cooking and food. I've been loving it. And living in a city where some people don't even ever use their ovens or stoves, like you can get takeout delivered to your door at any time. Sometimes you lose the appreciation of cooking, so I'm trying to really embrace it, and I've been making healthy recipes, really getting into it. I love cooking at home, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to be eating today, bring you around, see what I get into, and let's get eating. Right, here's my smoothie bowl for breakfast. So the smoothie is strawberries, banana, cherry, almond milk, acai, and then on top I have my homemade granola, flax, chia, goji berries, coconut, and then a little bit of nut butter on top. Yum! 10 out of 10. It's so fruity. Alright, we just got our Whole Foods delivery. We get it off of like Amazon Prime, Whole Foods Market. They bring it right to your door. It's so nice. So we got some Kind bars for breakfast. I'm not a real bar person, but we need something like quick and easy in the morning. We always struggle with that. So trying those out. Tomatoes, limes, bananas, some jasmine rice, love white rice, black beans, garbanzo beans, aka chickpeas. I always get confused, but they're the same thing. Diced tomatoes, some sesame oil, pink Himalayan rice crisps, and then Pirate's Booty. This is the best sauce, Rouse 4 cheese, some green apples, some romaine for salads and stuff, and then we got onions. I love red onion in like raw, and then I like cooked white onion. Potatoes, some avocados, feta. They have the best bread alone peasant. Oh no, this one's the sourdough. Wow, delish. Okay, but the bread alone bread is so freaking good. Very happy with that. Feta, carrots, cucumber, cilantro, some these scallions or green onions. I don't know. And then look at these bougie eggs. I've never seen eggs this fancy. They're from this brand. No added hormones, no antibiotics. I'm very happy about that. Like, open here. What? Look at this. Farming is a craft. Look at this. These look beautiful. Usually I put my eggs in this container, but honestly, I'm just gonna keep it in this because this is beautiful. Look at that. The craftsmanship. Have you ever seen eggs like this? It comes with a little card. Alright, how do I put it back though? Love that. Okay, and then some organic tofu. I said that funny, tofu. Alright, and then for the drinks, we got Topo Chico with a twist of lime. This is our favorite. And then I love Spindrift. I recently tried the blackberry one and it's pretty good. So, and that is the Whole Foods haul. I'm gonna put this away and then I'm gonna make lunch. Okay, so I know I just got like a huge, fresh, delicious groceries in. However, I still would like to use up the groceries that I have. I'm gonna try to make lunch. I'm gonna make some tuna burgers and a salad. Tuna burgers are like one of my favorite things. They're really good and they're really easy. The reason I'm doing them today is because they take minimal ingredients and it's usually always things that I have. So I have 1 can left of tuna. It's a good thing to make to use up your ingredients. So I'm gonna make it. And it's like a little side salad. We do have some like fresh new burrata, but that's new. And I have some leftover Parmesan cheese. So instead I think I'm gonna do like a Caesar salad instead of like a delicious burrata. Oh, I'll have to save this. And I'll use what I have left to make the salad. So I'm gonna make some tuna burgers. Very easy to make. I use almond flour. You can use whatever you want. Tuna, lime, onion, I like red onion, cilantro, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, paprika, and olive oil. Paprika, olive oil, so very easy. I'm gonna start by chopping up the things I need to chop, which are 1/4 cup of red onion. I kind of do it by eye because I really like raw onion, so I just kind of do like a chunk. 1/4 cup of cilantro, and then just the tuna. One egg. I like lime, so I'm gonna do a full lime juice, but you can do half. 1/4 a cup of blanched almond meal. A cup of, hi. Oh my god, I just chipped my bowl. Annoying. 1/4 a cup of almond flour. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I do like pretty heaped. Oh my gosh, I'm watching too many Australians. 1 teaspoon of paprika, pinch of some pink sea salt, crack of black pepper, and a teaspoon of olive oil. You might add more olive oil if it's feeling too like dry. Now we scoop these into nice patties. Flatten them out a bit. Medium heat, olive oil in the pan, move the patties over. I'll do like 3 at a time. Let those get crispy. While those are cooking, I'm gonna make the side salad. So I'm just gonna grab some romaine, cut it up, wash it, put it in my salad spinner. And it's great because I like a chopped salad. So while it's in here, I'll break it all up with my hands. Cut up some tomatoes. Let's check on the tuna burgers. Nice. They smell so good. Nice. Okay. Okay. I like tomatoes Tomatoes are like one of my favorite foods, actually. Dan does not, so he will have none. I throw in a few carrot bits to cut up some carrots. I use a serrated knife and get these like little chips almost. A bit of this Parmesan cheese. Alright, tuna burgers are good. And I'm gonna use this organic Caesar dressing from Whole Foods. Get our placemat. And here we go. So this recipe made about 6 burgers. We won't finish them all, so we'll pack some up, and then we have some salads, and then just like a water for lunch. Alright, I just had lunch. I am a beverage girl. I really like different drinks. Like my coffee is my favorite thing in the world. I like different drinks. So I like making my own lemonade. I have a little bit left. I'm gonna finish this up. I have a little bit left of my apple tea. So this is for a Poosh recipe. It's their apple tea. It's got like apple, ginger, cloves. I love beverages. Alright, it's like 5 o'clock. I need a little snack. I'm just gonna have a few bites of my granola. I make this myself, like my favorite thing ever. Coconut, oats, cranberries, chocolate chips. Yeah, it's really freaking good. And coconut oil. Just gonna have a few bites of this. Just need a little something. Alright, for dinner we ordered barkogi. But you got to pick like an app, a vegetable, and then a main. We got Parmesan fries, pot stickers. I got some edamame. Smell good. Some Korean fried chicken. And then I got this noodle bowl. Comes with like an egg. Wow, it smells so good. Alright, I'm gonna end the night with one of these Unreal. This one's dark chocolate peanut butter cup. I love the coconut one, but these ones are good too. I am such a sweet tooth dessert person at night. I feel like if I don't have something sweet, I don't feel satisfied. So these are really great because these are just a little bit healthier. So this one's dark chocolate peanut butter cup.